With a starting price of 10,800 yuan and a practical, robust, and spacious design, the Wuling Starlight 560 is poised to become the dark horse of the automotive market by the end of the year. Of course, Wuling likely anticipated the impact of the 2026 purchase tax policy on the market, hence the strategy of offering 3 engine options in one vehicle. Firstly, in terms of design, the Wuling Starlight 560 boasts numerous straight lines and incorporates several dynamic elements. Both the plug-in hybrid and gasoline-powered versions feature a black wave-shaped grille paired with a sharply angled front bumper. The horizontal twin headlights add a touch of elegance. The all-electric version features a more minimalist front design with a closed front fascia and a continuous light bar to emphasize its identity as a new energy vehicle. The car's side profile features a crossover design and a two-tone body. The A, B, and C pillars are finished in black, as are the roof rails. The new model uses traditional door handles. As for dimensions, the Wuling Starlight 560 is 4,745 millimeters long, 1,850 millimeters wide, and 1,755 millimeters high, with a wheelbase of 2,810 millimeters. Looking at the rear, the Wuling Starlight 560 features separate LED taillights with a stylish internal design. The rear bumper includes a dark gray skid plate, which, along with the large rear spoiler, enhances the car's sporty character. Upon entering, the interior boasts a simple yet elegant design, featuring a flat-bottomed, 2-spoke steering wheel and a steering column-mounted gear selector. The smart cockpit is equipped with the Ling OS intelligence system, which supports 4G LTE connectivity, car connectivity, remote control via a mobile app, Bluetooth, smartphone integration via HiCar or CarLink, over-the-air software updates, and other functions. The seats offer exceptional flexibility. The front seats recline 180 degrees, providing ample legroom. The rear seats feature a 4/6 split folding design, and the backrest can be adjusted 125 degrees. Combined with the generous legroom, 990 millimeters, second-row passengers can enjoy complete comfort on long journeys. In terms of power, the new gasoline-powered version is equipped with a 1.5-liter engine, producing a maximum output of 130 kilowatts, paired with either a 6-speed manual or a 6-speed dual-clutch transmission. The plug-in hybrid version features a 1.5-liter engine integrated with an electric motor and a 20.5 kilowatt-hour lithium iron phosphate battery, providing a pure electric range of up to 100 kilometers under safe driving conditions and fuel consumption as low as 3.98 liters per 100 kilometers when the battery is depleted. The fully electric version boasts a single 100 kilowatt electric motor, offering a range of over 400 kilometers under safe driving conditions and supporting a range of up to 200 kilometers with a 15-minute fast charge. All models perfectly meet the needs of urban commuting and travel.